In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink text in the Google Docs app. This is a useful skill that will make your documents more interactive and polished, allowing readers to access more information with just a click. Whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or a personal document, being able to add hyperlinks can greatly enhance your document's functionality. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Google Docs app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the document that you'd like to edit and ensure it's in editing mode. To enter editing mode, you may need to tap the pencil icon usually found towards the bottom right portion of your screen. Now that you're ready to edit, it's time to add those hyperlinks. Find the section of text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Carefully select the desired text by pressing and holding until you see the selection tools. Adjust the blue handles if your selection needs adjustments. For this example, let's say you want to hyperlink the text "Guiding Tech." Ensuring that you've correctly highlighted the text is crucial because the link will only apply to this section. Once your text is selected, you might notice some tools appearing at the top of the screen. If you don't see the options you need right away, don't worry. Look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 dots in a vertical line. Tap this menu to reveal additional options. From the list of options, tap on Insert Link. This will prompt a small window or box where you can type or paste your link address. If you have a specific URL in mind, make sure to enter it completely, starting with http or https to ensure it's clickable and directs correctly. After you've entered the link, look for a check mark or the word Apply and tap it to finalize this hyperlinking step. Your selected text should now have changed color or style, indicating it's successfully hyperlinked. Sometimes you might need to make changes to the hyperlink or remove it altogether. Editing or removing links is just as straightforward. Simply tap on the hyperlinked text again. A small menu will pop up, giving you options to either edit or remove the link. Choose Edit Link if you need to update the URL, or Remove Link if you want to delete the hyperlink altogether. With these steps, you now have the skills to efficiently add, edit, or remove hyperlinks in your Google Docs app, making your documents not only richer, but also more engaging. Feel free to practice on different documents to truly get the hang of it. Happy hyperlinking, and thanks for watching.